Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for today's video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a little idea on how to size down all of your children's paperwork, schoolwork, artwork, anything that they have done. I know as a mom it could be super hard to get rid of or let go of anything that has your child's name on it or that your child put work into. But I have also come to realize that I do not have the space to hold on to every single paper that he's ever worked on at school. And besides that, I don't believe that when he's older he is going to care to see every single piece of artwork that he did or spelling test or any of that. So I wanted to size down my collection because my son is only in first grade and I already have such a huge amount of papers, schoolwork, artwork, like I said. And so I want to size all of that down and kind of create a system for each grade of his. And besides that, as many of you probably know, we have recently added a new child to our family. We just had a baby girl several months ago. And so as our family grows, I know that the paperwork will be obviously growing as well. And I just want to keep everything nice and contained and downsized. So that's what today's video is all about. I hope that you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. Alright, so all you are going to need for this project is a file box. This one I purchased from the Container Store several years ago, and I'm not sure if this will be big enough. I don't think it will be, just for his entire kindergarten through senior year, because I know I will be holding on to senior year paperwork, I'm sure. So unless I'm like super diligent on what I am keeping, I'm not sure if this will be his box forever, but you just need a box that has the little hanging folder option on it. And like I said, this one did come from the Container Store. It's cloth, and then I really like it because it's got this little area for a name tag, and it also has handles on it. And then the other item that you'll need are some hanging folders. Ayden picked these ones out. They're really nice, pretty crisp blue. So what my plan is for these is that each grade will have its own folder, and then obviously I will stick on the little plastic tabs right here to show which folder is for which grade. Okay, so you can see that the hanging folders are in this filing box. Here are all the papers that we have accumulated throughout the last 3 or 2.5 years of school. At first I thought that I was going to do a photo box for each grade, but that has just become way too unrealistic. We do not have that much space for all of this stuff. So I'm going to go through all of these papers and find the ones that I think are the most special, the ones that I think that Ayden would want to see once he's older, and just the ones that I cannot let go of. Hopefully I don't hold on to too much, but that is what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so I have just emptied out the second box, and all I can say is that I am very thankful for the power of editing and being able to fast forward this entire process of clearing out these boxes, because it did take me a while to go through everything. Everything just seemed so sentimental, but I had to keep reminding myself the end goal of consolidating all of these papers down, and I am pretty confident that Ayden will not miss any of the papers that I chose to get rid of. And I do believe that the papers that I chose to hold on to really do provide a really nice snapshot of each of Ayden's grades thus far. So I am not too sure what I'm going to end up doing with both of these huge boxes, but it is nice to know that I don't think I will have to buy any of these types of boxes anymore. And it is also nice to know that these aren't going to be accumulating and piling up throughout the years. So I'm going to put these to the side and get to work. All right, here is what I decided to hold on to. And it actually is still a lot of papers. I might decide to go through this with Ayden and just see what he feels to be are the most special out of these. But I did already sort them. I'm going to get my folders ready just by writing the grades on the little name tags. Okay, so as you can see, I finished labeling my 6 file folders, and here's how they look. I did put the grade level in the front, so I just flipped this box over, but here you can see I did also include the actual year of each grade level on the back, and so you have the grade level in the front and the year on the back. All right, so I have officially completed this memory box, and I definitely know I'm going to have to upgrade this to a bigger size because, like I said, right now I only have 3 years of school in here, and he still has quite a few years left of school. And so I'm definitely going to have to invest in like a jumbo-sized file folder system. But you can definitely see how much I did downgrade and consolidate all of the paperwork that I had. And like I said, it was really, really hard to let go to quite a few of these papers. I actually said sorry out loud more than a few times, but I know that this is for the good and nobody needs to hang on to every single memory, but instead just create like an overall overview of the school year. I think Ayden will be very appreciative of this system when he gets a little bit older. So I tried my hardest to keep a variety of things. I didn't want to just keep like really nice artwork or really cute little writing samples. I wanted to have like a little small variety of a few different topics, and so I did keep the most creative artwork that I could find, artwork that was like more specific to Ayden and his personality, and artwork where I could really tell that he was able to take control of how it came out. Both of these items are really cute, I think, but they're not unique to Ayden's personality. So that's what I tried to keep. I didn't want to keep things that he was just told to glue on paper in a certain way. I wanted to just focus on keeping the items that really showcase Ayden's personality. And I also kept like little handprint artwork. I made sure to keep a couple of writing samples where, again, was like really personal to Ayden, and his personality kind of shines through those pieces of writing. So written responses about books that they might have read or things that they did on a specific day of school I did not keep, but writing samples that I did hold on to are like his predictions for the future, what he wants to be when he grows up, what he's thankful for. And then I also made sure to keep photos that were taken by his teachers, class photos, and report cards, things that he might actually have a lot of fun looking back on. And then as you can see, I also used very large binder clips just to kind of squeeze everything together and keep everything nice and tight in there. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it kind of gave you an idea on what to do with all of your children's paperwork and schoolwork and all of that fun stuff. Let me know if you guys have a different system that works really well for you on how you guys keep keep and organize and store all of these wonderful memories. And of course, if you have any questions about this video or any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below and I will make sure to get to them as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.